I will show you how I create amazing Instagram carousel posts using Genspark AI. Watch this video till the end and save it because you will definitely love it. I was creating all my Instagram posts and carousels using mostly Canva, and it takes me a lot of time to create my Instagram carousel post, and it doesn't look professional, and it was actually a nightmare. But let's talk about carousels. Why you need to create carousels. It's so much easier than create a video, just believe me. If you will try to create token video or reel, it will be much harder to express your vision of your idea than if you would just use a carousel post. You can easily create carousel post using AI, and it will give you everything, starting from the idea, and next it will give you idea for carousel slides, and then it will even create slides for you. What kind of structure it should have, how your hook should look like. Next, it will reveal the story that you have for this carousel post, and of course, the call to action at the end. In the description below this video, I will give you a prompt that you will need to use for a start with Genspark AI. So I just created a couple of carousel posts with Genspark, and this is one of them. See, if I had to start from scratch today, this is what I do. And each and every one of these slides was created using Genspark AI. I just gave it an idea and I gave it my image. You just give it an image or two or three, and you say, okay, use this image this time. The next one, check this out. This looks even better. So let us actually start with the idea, but we're not going to reinvent the wheel. Let's say I like this style. So this is what I would need to do. I go here and I will just save this. I go to Genspark.ai, and this is what I want to start with. So I will say something like, okay, give me an idea for a great venue carousel post about digital affiliate marketing business. You don't even need to think these days anymore. You can give your sales page link and it will remember what your business is all about. And it gives me already value post. Next, what I will say, okay, create 4 slides for this carousel post and use this simple style. First of all, you should give Genspark the link leading to your sales page or document that explains what your business is all about. This is step number 1. Step number 2, you need to give it your photo, just because it will use this photo for your slides, and you will not need to think, oh, how people will understand that this slide actually was created by me, or it's about my business or something. Then you may start with ideas. When you scroll through your phone on Instagram or TikTok and you see a good idea, you may say, okay, I love this idea. You make a screenshot of the idea of the post, and you put this post image to Genspark AI and say, okay, I want you to create this carousel post for me. Create 3 slides or 4 slides or 1 slide carousel post using this template, and give me a couple of ideas or give me a couple of variations. And voila, we have our slides coming in, right? Let's say you didn't like the result. You may just say, okay, I don't like this part, or recreate everything in your own style, or even check the web, find the best ideas for this slide. It will go check the web, it will find the best converted slides, the best engaging slides, and it will create it in the same style as those slides were created. And by the way, you may use it not only for creating Instagram carousel posts, you may also use it for YouTube thumbnails for your TikTok or Instagram posts, for any image you like. What I personally usually do, I simply give it my script of the video and say, okay, create YouTube thumbnail for this video. And it reads the script and gives me usually amazing thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And I would need to pay at least $15 per thumbnail to my image editor to create them. This is much better already. Remember that the idea was just to show how everything works. I will share with you my previous slides, and you will understand why I like it so much. These are my previous slides created with this guy, and they are in very high quality, by the way. Guys, the future is here, and if you like the idea to use Genspark AI to try creating your Instagram post images, your thumbnails for your video, for YouTube, for TikTok, and of course Instagram carousel posts, you may try it's free. You will find the link down below in the description to this video. And if you like this video, give me some comments, likes, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.